many, the prospect of relocating to a rural setting is a romanticized ambition. Yet making the transition from the city to the countryside requires a profound paradigm shift. While the city thrives on constant stimulation, rural living offers a restorative connection to the natural world. It is a lifestyle where the benefits to one's mental and physical well-being are substantial, provided one can adapt to the relative isolation. In the countryside, the relentless pace of urban life is replaced by a routine dictated by the seasons and the rising sun. One of the most striking changes is the absence of noise pollution. Here, sirens and construction is swapped for the subtle rustle of leaves and the distant calls of livestock. However, the morning commute remains an adventure of a different sort. Navigating winding, single-track lanes often necessitates a game of chicken, with massive agricultural machinery or waiting patiently as a herd of cattle is moved between pastures. Leisure time is typically spent immersed in the surrounding topography. The region is characterized by a diverse landscape of rolling hills, ancient woodlands, and hidden valleys. An extensive network of trails and public footpaths allow for hours of hiking without encountering another soul, making it a sanctuary for biodiversity. Over time, I've become quite adept at identifying local flora and fauna, from birds of prey to wildflowers that signal the arrival of spring. The social fabric of rural life is remarkably tight-knit, defined by a sense of community spirit that is often absent in anonymous city apartment blocks. The local village is the primary social hub, and whether it is a casual exchange in the general store or participation in a local council meeting, there is an unspoken rule of mutual support. Admittedly, the lifestyle is not without its logistical hurdles. The infrastructure can be temperamental, with high-speed internet often proving elusive, and the lack of public transport makes a reliable vehicle an absolute necessity. Nevertheless, the trade-off is undeniable. The tranquility, the scenery, and the unhurried pace of life provide a sense of fulfillment that no urban skyscraper could ever replicate.